What's up, guys? I'm Chad with drawersystems.com. We're here at Overland Expo East, booth T94, right next to the Grenadier track. And with me, we brought my 2013 Land Rover LR4 with a custom drawer system that has everything. So we got the full pantry, kitchen, 40-liter drawer style fridge. We have running water, 2 drawers, 2,000 watt Renogy inverter, ARB air compressor built in. And if you go around to the other side here, I'll join you over there. Full power, everything's built into the back of the drawer. So this whole thing can be installed or taken out in like 10 minutes. So right now I'm powering 2 refrigerators. We got the center Dometic here. Red Arc DC to DC charger, all the fuses, 200 amp hours of lithium, 200 watts of solar on the roof. And come with me over to the next vehicle. We got the new Ineos Grenadier. So similar style drawer system. This one has the Dometic CFX 35 fridge, cutting board, slide out table, 3 drawers, 2,000 watt inverter, the ARB twin air compressor in there, 200 amp hour lithium, Starlink on the roof. Again, same concept, designed to go in and out of the vehicle with factory mounting points. We can do this for any vehicle, customization available. And the last thing, you got to check out my other project here. This was a fun one. 2003 Chevy Astro chopped in half, turned into the ultimate camper trailer. So probably haven't seen this. Code name is Cyborg. This is what it looked like when I first got it, with a big hole in the front here. And then full interior done. I did the whole thing. We got the topo walls, same style, Raptor liner. This is what I use to coat all of the drawers. So Raptor liner coating, Raptor liner on the outside here. We have an AC unit actually hidden there. This turns into a full-size bed. Then we have the AC unit here, hot water heater, water system, 2 20-pound propane tanks. Same system with the onboard water. So we got onboard water, changing room here, front runner roof rack, ARB awning with the awning room, and then the back side of this, we got the kitchen. And you gotta have a bamboo countertop if you got a kitchen back here. So 65-liter upright fridge with freezer. Yeah, so pretty much I've done van builds, focusing on drawer systems now. But if you have a custom concept and you're looking to do something like this, hit me up, Chad at drawersystems.com, or anything at social media. So YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, at Drawer Systems. That's how you can find me.